just being in a new space that's really beautiful and historic has been really refreshing, and being in the company of women just seeking to be intentional has been such a gift. Thinking about the LEADS framework, the first portion is about leading yourself, and I think when I have time to get away and reflect on my own life, my priorities within my job and my family, I'm filled up and strengthened. So I'll come back to those places with a different perspective that's kind of renewed and refreshed. And I think that's really invaluable. Retreats are an investment of your time, your resources, and they're kind of a risk, especially if you're going with a group of people you don't really know. But that is actually an adventure and a reward of entering into a new space, going through different reflective activities and teachings that can help you more confidently and with strength, doing it together. You're not alone in what you're facing, and I think there's a lot of validation. So I think it's worth the investment. It's just a weekend, but you are leaving with new connections, new relationships, new ideas, and fresh strength.